Hi, imagine you open Canva and you see a beautiful design, a flyer, a logo, a social media post, something that looks like it took hours, maybe even days to create. Now imagine this, you don't download it, you don't buy it, don't even recreate it manually. Instead, you simply have to show it to AI, and even seconds, you have your own design, clean, editable, and unique. That's not the future. That's what you're about to learn. For years, tools like Adobe Express, Snappa, Pixlr, Bifunky, VistaCreate, designers have made designs easier. Yes, but here is the truth nobody told you. You're still doing too much work. You're still searching for templates, adjusting font, tweaking colors, trying to make it look right. Yes, and sometimes it still doesn't. Now, you can find that design in Canva and bring it down to AI, and the AI will recreate that premium design for you without you having to do too much work. Now, what you're about to learn is not a Canva tutorial. It's not um any design tutorial that you have to learn manually. Now, this is about shortcutting the entire process of premium design you find on Canva, find in other platform that looks like Canva. Inside of this video, this is what you're going to learn. How to take any design you see online and turn it into your own. How to use AI to break down layouts, fonts, and color instantly. You can even tell the AI the font you want to use. How to create premium designs without premium skills. How to stand out without spending hours in designing. You don't need to have a background knowledge. You just need to describe your walls correctly and you have your designs. Now, like I mentioned, I'm going to walk you through step by step. This is not like a predefined prompt that I'm going to use here. Everything here, we're going to start from scratch. I'm thinking of a design called as banner. Okay, let's say our floating banner. I'm going to pick one template that is premium templates. You can go for free one if you see anyone that is free, or you can use any channel, any of the two I mentioned, or anyone use, whether you find it on social media or anywhere. You could also snap it with your phone, or if you see a flyer with your phone, or banner, or any good design with your phone, and bring it here. All you need to simply do is upload it, not only on laptop, you can simply do this on your phone too. So first we need to do, this is a premium design, this is not too sophisticated. I'm looking for something that might look a little bit, wow, look at this design, another premium design which you may need um premium subscription. How about we work on this? Okay, um I'm picking this for example. If you notice, this is a premium service. I can copy image, very interesting. But if you click on use templates, you have to pay subscription before you use it. So I can simply copy this image, copy, take it to Croc, paste it here in Croc. Now what do I need? I need what do I need to change? I need to start the planning of what I need to change. I need to change the restaurant name. So you can simply either copy everything that is present here, or I can just describe it. But I want to copy everything that is present there. What do? I use my tool. If you're using window, you can simply click on Shift Window S. Then You highlight the sections you want to copy the text. This is to make it more detailed for you. I actually screenshotted, but I want to copy each of the text. So I use the shift window S as in save as shirts. That's another mistake. So I click on copy, then highlight the whole section. Then this is gonna notice all places that there's text there. So I copy the text, I take it back to Grok and simply paste it here. Now these are the texts I want to change. Step by step, I'm going to change all these text. Now I will tell you that change, or better still, if you're confused of the idea you want to bring up, you can simply come to ChatGPT. Now, note that not only Chrome can do this, your ChatGPT can also do this. I only have to open the three tools together so that you will see that all these two, anyone you have subscription on, can do this. You can simply copy this, take it to ChatGPT, and tell it what to do. I'm here on ChatGPT. What do I tell? I maybe I'm actually selling African meals, egusi or any other African meals. What do I do? I will say, hey, then you can just give it context, more context, so that it understand. Okay, let's see what it does. Okay, can we look at what we have on the banner too, and simply look. Special food menu, delivery days, experience delicacies that you can enjoy, blah blah blah. Order now. Fast delivery, blah blah. This has helped you brainstorm this. Whatever you feels like is your business idea, any banner, whatever business you want to introduce there, you can simply pick that and bring it here. Now, I will have to copy this and come into take it to Croc and said to the one below. Here is my, this is not my number, so get that intact. This is a generic number. Okay, then I will have to send it to it. But before I do that, I will copy this, press enter, go to Gemini, and let's try the same thing. Paste it here, then come to Canva, copy the same image and paste it. Agree. Let's see what it has done. Now, look at the first image. 50% of special food, blah blah, delicious taste. And look at this. This has created the same banner in a very unique way, but it changed the text. Do you notice that it has changed the text? The fonts are the same, and it gave you a theme, savor every bite of dew. Now, what do I need? I can tell it to change it to African meals like egusi. Change it to African meals like egusi, afang, etc. Wow, this is great. You see that you have the same design and you also have the meals change and this look good. What else do we need to do? You're done with your design. You can simply change the logo. What do you need to do? If you already created a logo, copy your logo. Let's say, for example, I have a logo. I can go pick up a logo online. Let's see what Gemini did. Gemini did great too. Now, if you see the difference between Gemini actually italic the the text below here, and I can also tell it to make an italic of the text below here too. Then what else do we do? This is simply the same. I can also tell Gemini, do this. Why Gemini is doing that, we can see how to change the logo. Then I can just go else and pick Facebook logo. You can put your social media. If you don't have any social media on it, like there's no social media banner on it, you can just describe at the top right, include my social media channel. I've opened up a logo here. What do I need to do? I can copy any of this logo. Let's take this for an example. This is your logo. I can copy this logo, bring it here, and tell it, no, simply tell your social media handle. My um, my social media handle Facebook. Now this is what um, Gemini does. If you look at Gemini, the way Gemini did this, it actually shows the price. It helps you define your idea from 6,800. Makes you like it creates more design for you, and you can simply choose as many as you want. Can you see it added Akara here and every other meals? Let's see what Gemini did. It did it properly, and can you see Facebook logo? It's messed up a bit in terms of the design, but let's simply look at what this will do. Now, the reason why you have the name so big, remember your context is very important. All whatever you need it to do, describe it. The more details you give it, the more understanding it has to deliver a good result to you. So if you give it a low context, it will definitely think of its own context, a generic context, and bring it to you. So each of the tools has their better definition. This has messed it up, but here is how it works. So um, I'm not gonna do this again just to keep this short. Or if you want me to give you a better prompt, I have a better prompt that I can give to you that I always use. If you need a better prompt that can give you a good result, simply put it in your comments. Simply comment on this video Then I will paste you the best prompts for you to use that will likely make the less error. Okay, thank you for watching this. On my next video, I'm simply going to teach you on how to remove any watermark on any image. Imagine you creating a banner like this. After creating a banner like this, and Gemini, and you love the one Gemini provided, you simply see this Gemini image or watermark on it, or any watermark on any image. You want to remove any watermark on any image. I'm going to do my next video to show you on how to remove watermark on any image.